Endormi region. That is the name of the region of our Pokemon game called Pokemon Coin, Card, and Crypto. Why is it named like that? It's basically because how about all of the Pokemon that we're going to be making for this region is going to be from randomly generated prompts. Right? That's great. So I just took the word random and then kind of rearranged it and then added a letter. And now we have Endormi region. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into today's video, which is also a Pokemon from randomly generated video, because I love doing this content. Now, you know how this thing works. We're going to generate an animal, a Pokemon type, and a Pokemon object. It's not a Pokemon object, just a normal object. So yeah, let's do that. So the first thing we're gonna generate is going to be an animal, and the animal is going to be, drumroll please, a gopher. Interesting. So a gopher is a kind of a rodent. This is perfect because I've been wanting to create like the first like rodent kind of Pokemon that are there, the normal types and stuff. But I hope this is, we're gonna get normal type in the type generator. I don't know. If we don't get that, it's fine. I like rodent Pokemon, and I like any type that goes with a rodent. I wouldn't mind anything, honestly, for my region, because the whole point is that it's gonna be random, right? So yeah, let's go. This is going to be kind of the first Pokemon that they're going to encounter, like right after you get your starter Pokemon. You go out into the wild, and this could be the Pokemon that you encounter first. One of the. So we need a rodent Pokemon. We probably need some sort of a puppy Pokemon or a kitty Pokemon, like a cat Pokemon, and a bird Pokemon, or something along those lines. So yeah, so let's go for the type. It's a fire type. Awesome. I don't know, fire is like my most favorite type for some reason. I just love fire type Pokemon, and a fire type gopher sounds like a really good idea. Alright, now this is the part I kind of hate, honestly, because the objects can just mess the whole thing up. But let's see what we get right now. A box of Q-tips. What the hell is Q-tips? Q-tips? Oh my god, what is that? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna show this to you. What? Oh my god, this is something. Q-tips are the most common use for cotton swabs is to clean the ear canal by removing earwax. Oh my god, that is disgusting. And like, yo, how am I going to implement this? Alright. So okay, I'm starting to get ideas. I mean, okay, the object does not have to be implemented directly into the Pokemon. As in, the Pokemon does not have to look like a Q-tip. It's also the specific prompt was a box of Q-tips. So it's a box. It's literally a box of Q-tips. You know what? We can do anything we want with this prompt, honestly. And I think the best thing here is that it's used to clean ear canals or whatever. So we could use the idea of cleanliness, or we could use, we could do something with the ears of this particular rodent. I don't know. I think both of them are a good way to go. So yeah, we'll decide that as we draw. So this prompt was actually really interesting for me because I actually didn't know what a gopher was until I actually searched up this prompt right after I got it. And I did not have any idea of how to implement fire typing into a rodent, except for the obvious stuff that we usually do. And then the box of Q-tips thing came, and that was pretty much what kind of broke me. I did not have any idea how to implement that. But then I decided to actually just take some concepts from, a box of Q-tips and then try to integrate that into it. And we have, the ears of these Pokemon, of these rodents, that could kind of serve as some sort of a furnace, because furnaces are also kind of used for cleaning stuff. So box of Q-tips used for cleaning, furnace is also used for cleaning, and by cleaning I mean like burning trash and dead bodies and stuff. So yeah, that's where I got these two guys. I wanted to kind of do two because the name of the whole thing was of this Pokemon was Pocket Gophers. As in, it was Gopher, but then it was also called Pocket Gopher, so that sounded way too much like Pokeballs to ignore. So I made the first form like a Pokeball and the second form like a normal Gopher with a furnace on his head. So yeah, that's what this Pokemon is. Pogo, the Gopher Pokemon. Pogos are Pokemon that spend most of their time basking in the sun to keep their insides fiery. They cannot survive for more than 2 days if they do not get enough sunlight or something equivalent to sunlight. Gophern, the fiery gopher Pokemon. Gopherns tend to live in colder places to balance out its temperature, as it has actual fire inside of it heating up its body. They are quite peaceful creatures and tend to avoid conflict. So, what is going to be our next animal? It is a weasel. Interesting. Here's another rodent kind of Pokemon. So yeah, that's actually exciting. We're almost going in the order that I kind of want to go in. Yeah, the next one should probably be a bird. I really hope it's a bird. Anyways, so the next type is going to be Grass Type. Wow, that's like super easy. A Grass Type weasel. Interesting. And the object is going to be a Scotch Tape. Okay, I'm getting some ideas already. I think we can do something with that. A Scotch Tape. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. Alright, so for this prompt, also, again, it's always tricky to kind of implement the objects into the actual Pokemon. So I took the concept of a Scotch Tape, which is kind of, it's for sticky, it's for sticking stuff. So I took that concept, sticky stuff, what's sticky and is related to grass types, and I came up with sap. Sap is a sticky substance that is kind of, excreted by trees. And so I thought that was kind of a good concept to kind of develop, because I thought there's also the, really old hardened sap from giant trees called as amber that can also be used. So I made two Pokemon. One was basically just showing sap and stickiness, and the other was hardened like amber, and that would be kind of grass and rock type as well. I thought that was a kind of a good idea, so I went with it. And so the speciality of these Pokemon are that the first form is it's very sticky. It's the personality of this Pokemon is very needy. It's it always wants to stick with its trainer. It's very it's not just loyal, it's like needy in an unhealthy way. It's always sticking to you. And the evolved form of it's like a very mature version of this particular Pokemon. And it's really hard, it's loyal, and but it's really aggressive, because now it's like it's not needy anymore. It has its own kind of value and maturity for itself. So yeah, that's the two concepts of these Pokemon. Guizel, the sap Pokemon. Guizels live in trees and feed on absurd amounts of tree sap. This is why it resembles some green tree sap. They are very emotional Pokemon and tend to grow too attached to their trainers. Ambeezle, the weasel Pokemon. Ambeezles are very aggressive Pokemon that resemble hardened sap called amber. They evolve from Guizels if they become really good friends with its trainer, after which it remains extremely loyal to its trainers. Alright, so the next animal is going to be... What's the next animal going to be? It's a lizard. That is very broad, but I'm curious. Okay, so what's going to be the type? The type is going to be water. That's interesting. We got fire, grass, and water in the same freaking video. Okay, cool. And the object is going to be a TV. A water type lizard and a TV. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see how we can do this. Awesome. Alright, this prompt actually kind of got me really depressed, honestly. Because, like, I did not know what to do with this prompt. And I don't know, for some reason, I was really stupid this day. A TV with a lizard that is water type. What am I supposed to even do with that? And so when thinking about this and not getting any sort of creative ideas, I just thought, okay, what if this was a lizard that was somehow like just holding a TV or something? And yeah, I just freaking implemented that. And so the lizard that I actually chose was an marine iguana, because that's a a water lizard kind of thing. Yeah, I think that was kind of the best way I could go about this, because yeah, it just drove me crazy. I went nuts just thinking about what to do with this thing, and I couldn't figure anything out. So here we have the final result of this prompt. Lol. Iguanion. Iguanion, the iguana Pokemon. Iguanions are very strange Pokemon that like to collect thrown out televisions for some mysterious reason. Scientists are still trying to find out why. Alright, so these are the Pokemon that we've created today. So what do you think of them? Did you like them? Do you have any comments about them? Just tell me all of that stuff in the comment section below. And yeah, like the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed to see more of my Pokemon videos. I'm going to be doing these weekly. I don't know if the next one's gonna be a Pokemon video, but there's a high chance that it might be. So yeah, just stay tuned for all of that stuff, all of that awesome stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.